question number 8 is quite a long one. So part A, part 1 said write 185 metres in centimetres. Now you should know that every 1 metre is equal to 100 centimetres. Okay, so if I've got 1.85 metres, okay, I times it by 100, that's going to give me 185 centimetres. So that is your first answer, 185. Part 2 says write 2,086 grams in kilograms. Now we should know that 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, so if I've got 2,086 of them, divide it by 1,000 to get it into kilograms, that gives me 2.086. So that is my answer for part 2. Right, next one. In a box of 12 eggs, 5 are cracked. What fraction is cracked? Well, that's really nice and simple. Just 5 out of 12. 5 twelfths. 5 out of the 12 eggs have been cracked. Part C. Write 45 to 15 as a ratio in its simplest form. Okay, now there's a couple of ways you could do this. Okay, I would probably break it down. I think about what times table are 45 and 15 both in. They're both in the 5 times table. So if I divide both of these numbers by 5, I end up with 9 to 3. Now 9 and 3 are both in the 3 times table, so I can simplify it again by dividing by 3. Okay, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that's my answer. It's 3 to 1. It's exactly like simplifying a fraction. Okay, part 2 says divide 32 in the ratio 5 to 3. So, step 1, you've got to do 5 add 3 equals 8. Okay, so there are 8 parts altogether in this ratio. So I've just added these numbers here together. Step 2, I've got to do the amount, so 32 divided by the total number of parts, which is 8, which gives me 4. Okay, and then the last step is I've got to do 4 times 5 and 4 times 3. So 4 times 5 gives me 20, and 4 times 3 gives me 12. Okay, so 20 and 12. Right, remember to put your answers in the form that the ratio comes in. So I did 4 times 5 first, gives me 20, so that's my first answer, and 4 times 3 is 12, so that's the second part of the answer. Oh, you can't quite see it. There you go. And last but not least, D, the price of a watch is £230. In a sale, this price is reduced by 16%. Calculate the sale price. So, since this is a calculator paper, you can do this not without too much trouble. Okay, to find 16% of 230, we just change 16 into a multiplier, so that will change to 0.16. Okay, so I'm going to do 230 times 0.16, which is 36.8. So £36.80. Okay, and then because it's a sale, it's been reduced. So I'm going to do the original amount, the original cost, which is 230, take away £36.80, gives you an answer of £193.20. So £193.20.